What we're going to have a look at today is an exercise that is both fun and will dramatically increase the dexterity of both your hands. In the case of the fretting hand, this one, all your four fingers will come into play, and as you be changing strings, the dexterity of your other hand will also increase. This exercise is called the spider walk, the drunken spider walk, or various other names which all seem to relate to the social life of the said arachnid. That's the scientific name for a group of animals which includes the spider. You see, you get a bit of everything on this channel. There are many forms of this exercise. In this lesson, we will have a look at what I call the horizontal walk, because it goes horizontally up the fretboard. In further videos, we will have a look at variations which include the vertical walk. I'm sure you can work out why we call it the vertical walk. Like everything else, these probably aren't the official names, but if you do know what the official name, leave a comment below. Anyways, so let's get moving on with the exercise. Right, we give this a go really slowly. So here we go. Spider walk, second string down, third fret with your little finger, top string open, top string 1 with your index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, down, second fret, back up third fret, back down to the fourth fret, back up fifth, back down sixth, back up seventh, back down eighth, back up ninth fret, top string, there you have it. You may be able to go further. I can't with this guitar. You need a bit of a cutaway. Give it a go. You got nothing to lose. I'll go through this again, really slowly. This time I'll keep my gob shut so I'm not distracting you. Give it a go. I'll give it a go. Let's try a little bit faster. A few buzzes there, but never mind. I'm going to keep going till I muck up. Listen, keep going. It's all good fun. I've been practicing for about 3 days now. In the beginning, my fingers literally were in a knot. Just keep going. You'll get there. I'll get there. It's all about having a little bit of fun. I hope you got something out of that video. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell thingy down below so you get a nice warm tickle in your pocket every time I upload a video. See you all soon. Hey Michelle!